You talked about the knowledge base, but I said to you right before we started, one of the most powerful things from a non franchisee, right? Somebody who's in your ecosystem is your website has some of the best blogs on this industry I have seen. And so I want to talk about how you craft those kind of the guidelines to doing that. And more importantly, the breadth of knowledge, because you've got blog posts that cover almost the entire country, topic by topic by topic.
Yeah, so for us, as kind of pioneers in the industry, our job, we feel a responsibility to educate everybody who wants to know anything about this. The more we all know about this plant and the miracle things that happens on the medical side and also the really fun things that happen on the recreational side, the more people know, the more likely we are to help drive a shift in that stigma of the industry. The more likely we are to have prepared investors and prepared business owners who want to enter this industry safely. And so for us, because we have this incredible depth of bench, we not only cultivate the best product, but we cultivate the best people. And we do that by finding and educating and sparing no expense and driving the best team in cannabis. And then we just want to share that knowledge with the world. And so, some people say, gosh, you're putting out information that your competitors can use or that people should be paying for. And they're probably right. But we feel this social and industry responsibility to just share some of what we know to help people understand how awesome this industry really is.